Do you enjoy chatting online and want to earn money while doing it? Look no further. In this eye-opening video, I will reveal a perfect platform for you to turn your text-based conversations into a lucrative opportunity. Say goodbye to mindless scrolling and hello to a new way of making money online. Join me as we explore the exciting world of text-based online chats and discover how you can turn your passion for socializing into a profitable venture. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to monetize your online presence and make every chat count. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's dive in. Transform your chats into cash with CloudWorkers. CloudWorkers established in 2015 and has grown to become one of the most successful and prosperous chat moderation companies globally. The company offers chat moderators from various parts of the world a chance to secure a reliable income. The only prerequisites for this role are access to a computer and a stable internet connection. Embrace the exhilarating opportunity to put your language skills into action with CloudWorkers as a chat moderator. This flexible and straightforward role offers you the chance to earn a dependable monthly income as an independent freelance moderator. Whether you're looking for part-time or full-time engagement, they have positions ready for you. Unleash your potential and step into a world of exciting possibilities. At CloudWorkers, the flexibility offered to chat moderators is truly noteworthy. They have the freedom to determine their own working hours according to their personal schedules. This empowers them to strike an optimal balance between their professional commitments and personal life. Collaborating with CloudWorkers offers you the flexibility to work remotely, ensuring a steady income stream. Moreover, becoming a part of the CloudWorkers team grants you added advantages such as reliability and stability. These benefits are derived from being associated with a globally recognized chat moderation enterprise, which is renowned for its extensive experience, long-standing reputation, and proven success record. Moderators are set to gain and develop professionally through consistent, high-quality training provided by a team of expert coaches. Each language-specific chat moderator team is assigned a dedicated team leader, ensuring a dependable and proficient point of contact. These leaders can be reached conveniently via phone, email, or Skype, fostering an enriching team experience for all moderators. Even if you lack prior experience, your application is highly encouraged and appreciated. They eagerly anticipate collaborating with you to enhance your experience and develop your professional skills in this field. If you have a vivid imagination, an open mind, and a strong desire for self-improvement, these are the essential skills required to excel as a chat moderator. CloudWorkers offers a compensation package that is higher than the industry average and is tied to performance metrics and fast and reliable payment on a monthly basis. You will get paid within the first 10 business days of the month for the work done in the prior month. Payments can be made either via bank transfer or PayPal transfer. CloudWorker is totally free. Never have or ever will charge fees. Don't miss out on this amazing chance to earn money from your conversations. Join CloudWorkers today and start chatting your way to financial freedom. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.